Hi everyone, welcome back to OpenTPI. I'm Thomas. In API management, security isn't just a feature, it's basically the whole foundation. I'm now tackling the question, what do we do with JWS private keys? Luckily, Anna is here. She's the expert who always clears things up for me.
Hey, Thomas. Yeah, it is a crucial topic. Security is critical, obviously, but it really shouldn't be painful to implement.
Exactly. The nightmare scenario is the recompile cycle. So straight up, if I need to rotate a key, do I actually need to touch the source code?
Oh, definitely not. From an engineering perspective, digiRunner handles all of that externally. You just point to a properties config file or pass it as a startup parameters. There is absolutely no need to touch the code.
That is a huge relief. So let's get physical. Where does this key actually live on the server?
The private key is stored securely inside a key store file, typically using the JKS format. And here's a key detail. The private key used for JWS signing is actually the same key used for generating tokens.
Oh, I see. So we don't need to manage two separate key pairs for those functions.
Exactly. One key pair handles both, which simplifies things. The system reads this key by looking at a specific section in your config file called the digiRunner token key pair setting block.
Okay, let's open up that config file. If I'm an engineer setting this up for the first time, what specific parameters am I looking at?
There are 5 main parameters you need to know. First, you have the path and the name. The system needs to know where the file is. By default, it looks for a file named OpenDGR-token.jks inside the keys directory.
Okay, so keys is the default folder. What else?
Next, obviously, is the password. You can't access a secure key store without the correct password. Then we have the key alias.
The alias, that's like the internal ID, right?
Spot on. A key store can technically hold multiple keys, so the alias tells digiRunner which specific private key to use. The default alias is OpenDGR-token. And finally, the key store type, which defaults to standard JKS.
Clear. Now, scenario time. The key is expiring. Walk us through the update process.
Don't panic. It's a simple 3-step workflow. Step 1, you need to prepare the new material. Generate a new key pair and save it as a new key store file. Let's call it newtoken.jks.
Got it. Generate the file first. Then what?
Step 2, place the file in your folder and update the properties. Point to the new file name, password, and alias.
And the final step?
Step 3, restart digiRunner. Because these are property-level settings loaded at startup, the instance must be restarted for the changes to take effect.
Got it. Now, looking at the other side of the equation, the client. We've signed the data with our private key, but how do clients verify that signature?
They need the corresponding public key. digiRunner provides a specific endpoint for this public exchange. Clients can query the URL as shown here. It ensures that any client can independently verify that the JWS signature was issued by your platform.
All right, this has been super helpful. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap for everyone listening.
Sure, 3 things. 1, no code changes. Use the properties file. 2, format. Use a secure JKS key store. And 3, restart. Always restart to apply updates.
Perfect summary. Thanks for breaking down the technical details for us today, Anna.
Anytime, Thomas.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Ready to master your API security? Search digiRunner open source on GitHub for the full docs. Subscribe now, and let's keep building.